Yeah, we're your viewers tonight.
They don't have a very big audience.
Huh?
Usually they got like all the neighbors out. It's all pretty.
That yeah, I was. Ooh. Oh, there you go.
That was a nice one.
Yeah. Take that, people on the next street. Are they ever afraid that it's gonna hit one of those wires? And
Look at how much money he spent. I mean, that was about $100 off of it there.
Probably, yeah. Whatever was what mortar with sound.
Yeah, plus it had a little sparkly things.
whoa.
It's either it does or it's supposed to do. I don't know.
Wait,
Yeah.
wait,
Back up.
It knows what it wants to do. Oh, it just gets littler and littler and littler. Yeah, what is it gonna do?
I got the impression it was a faulty running camera. That's
Yeah. Oops.
I don't think it's supposed to be throwing sparks all over the grass.
You mean like that?
It's supposed to be a little higher.
Whoa. Oh
Oh,
man.
hell yeah. Yeah, it's cool.
Okay.
Yay.
That was nice.
Damn it. Gotta follow it up. There we go.
No, one of those stupid things again. My lens is getting wet. Wow, look at all that smoke.
love the smell.
Yeah.
Sulfur. Nothing like sulfur.
Oh.
What's the only difference really between these and the big ones? The only difference is these don't go as high.
Nice.
Nice.
This will be what I miss. And that's it.
Yeah, I think. I was just thinking of that song. I don't imagine you're going to get this over on this one.
No, this will be what I miss, and that'll be it. My front porch fireworks display.
Well, seeing as how he's probably not going to sell the house, we could always come back and just chill on the porch, like for old time's sake.
That'd be funny. Empty house, weeds growing everywhere. Ooh.
Cute.
Well,
It's kind of easier to say than do. Holy crap. Wow. Yay. That was good. Oh. Oof. Wow.
jeez.
He spent a lot of money.
Yeah, he did.
Wow.
Someday when I'm rich, I'm going to spend this kind of money on fireworks. And then I'll invite you guys to my house.
Oh, yay, thank you. Wow, we've been invited.
Yeah,
Someday.
to the future fireworks show.
Somewhere. The future. Oh,
I
that
keep
was out of my
missing it.
sight. That went up way high. Wow. Ooh, that was
Ah. Nice.
These guys rock. Never stop rocking.
Don't let Mother Nature get you down.
Never stop rocking. Oh. You might want to stop rocking soon, but I don't know. Right now, might be a good day.
Nah, keep on rocking.
Keep rocking.
What are you getting?
Screw Mother Nature. She ain't got it. Oh, yeah, I love it.
Nice.
Rock on. Rock on. You can still keep rocking. At rocking time. What do we do? Oh, what are we doing? What we doing? I'm kind of finding myself in these awkward positions. You might have to help me out of one. Stupid bitch.
Oh, holy.
Oh, wow. That was not a firework.
No, it wasn't.
But rock on, yes.
Oh man, that went through their tree. Oh, that went through our mailbox.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
Somebody's house or something's on fire, but who cares? Oh, yes.
Oh my God.
Oh, kaboom. All good. Happens. Yeah, kaboom.
So much for Dad's car.
That's insured.
Insured for firework accidents.
Firework damage? I don't know, but it's insured. Oh, don't stop now. Awesome. Oh. Excellent. We're the only ones watching it anyway besides them.
This is actually pretty cool.
It is.
Fireworks and a thunderstorm.
Fireworks and a thunderstorm. Keep rolling it. You have video rolling? You should
Yeah.
have video rolling.
I have video rolling. Holy moly.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep the video rolling.
I'm almost afraid to have this video rolling.
It's alright.
The
We
lightning.
have sat back here with massive lightning and
A lot of these are the same.
a puddle. Sitting in a puddle with phones. Keep rolling. I got.
Don't touch me.
Oh, hey.
You got radar?
Yeah, it's we don't have
Rain delay.
We ain't going nowhere. We're doing this.
to. Worst part,
It looks like they're trying to get it off. Get it done, I mean.
Trying to roll it off. Yeah, they're going.
Woo!
Got the video? Did you miss the video?
No, I got it.
Okay. Because you got to get all of this. Oh.
I already missed some of it.
We got to get the lightning, the fireworks, the everything. It's all the total effect. Then we can submit a video. Oh,
Submit a video to what?
YouTube? Woohoo. Yeah.
Might get the thunder in there. Try not to get struck by lightning.
Yes.
Dad, try not to get struck by lightning.
Yes.
Yeah, that backed you off the plate.
This is actually kind of cool.
Is there a way I can like set this? Yeah, alright. Need a text. Oi.
You gotta love this. Fireworks and Mother Nature's natural display all at the same time. Awesome does that get?
Take this thing. My camera's still rolling. Don't take it or Oh, they are doubling up, aren't they? That wasn't fair.
Look at us.
I'm just scared.
We're not scared watching you guys be not scared.
Yay.
Later again.
Yeah.
Fire
Do it.
Do it.
I bet you my video is better.
I bet you he's doing pretty good.
Although my lens keeps getting wet, so I don't know. It might be blurry. Oh! Look at all that stuff they got there.
Is that a lineup of shit?
Yeah.
Like what?
Yeah, look at all that.
Oh, cool.
Wow. That's not a very clear picture.
Thought it was supposed to be that.
Did that fall over? Aw, they're gonna blow up our house, aren't they? Eh, who cares? We're moving anyway.
Oh shit, we have to worry about. Oh, it's gone. Oh well.
The whole house is gone.
I'll just take this, and this. Bye bye now.
Oh. I don't wonder if I'm getting this lightning on tape.
I hope so. It's part of the show. Gotta be getting that.
I'm trying.
Okay. Yep. Please go stand out in the puddle in the middle of a thunderstorm. It's for our entertainment.
See, somebody else somewhere is still doing it, so why should they stop?
This guy spent a lot of money.
They must.
A lot of money.
I have no idea what he does for a living.
If I could tell you, 25 years ago, something like this, one or two of those, and some little rinkety-dinkities was over $100. Or $75 for something like
Rinkety-dinkities?
that. Rinkety-dinkities, yeah, duh. Like M180s or M100s or something like that, dumb. Shit without sound. You know what I'm saying?
Like those fountains they keep setting off?
No, I'm talking about you could send them up
Like
but there was no sound.
that.
And then you had this stuff.
It's starting to rain harder.
This one came out pretty good, but there's just too much time between fireworks and a lot of dead time.
That's why I stopped mine. I'm actually in a good spot right now.
I don't know how much longer it is in the bills, but
Alright, it's out there, it's out there, it's good, it's good, it's good. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it.
I hope I'm not blocking the sound on this. I don't know where the sound is. Oh well.
Stupid rain.
yellow thing that gets hit in the straight now. If I was them, I'd take about a half-hour break and it shouldn't be a break.
They're probably almost done. Probably can't light it. It's probably raining too hard.
I was gonna say it's too wet. It's not gonna light. Thank you. What you did entertain this one?
That seems dangerous. Don't go out. Oh. Oh. I blocked it.
Oh, do you like the line? You like the...
Rain, wetlands,
Alright.
lots of smoke.
You get some good video, because I don't think
Everyone always gets good video.
mine's not worth posting.
Not to worry, not to worry. Oh, there's more, there's more.
I was supposed to post this.
Post it on Facebook. Why not?
Oh, okay.
With the title Nature's Fireworks versus Man's Fireworks.
years ago, they set one of those off, and me and them and a kid from down the street were sitting over there watching from chairs, and it tipped over and almost killed us all.
It happens.
Well, you know what they say, fireworks are dangerous.
They are dangerous.